Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making some mac and cheese. The recipe will be in the description box. I couldn't let you listen to the sound of me scraping the spoon on the top because Dr. Now's playing in the background. So just imagine. So let's get started. So here's what you're gonna need. You use whatever cheeses you want. I like to shred my cheeses. You don't have to if you don't want to, but this is just what I do. These are the cheeses I normally use. So what I do is I shred some and I chunk some. Shred some for the top, the inside, and then you'll see. I boil my pasta some chicken stock. I just take the bouillon cube and put it in the water. Once my pasta has cooked and drained, I add a stick of butter and a quarter cup of sour cream and I mix it up really well. And I just let that butter melt into that pasta, and the sour cream is going to help it be extra creamy. So here's what I'm using for my roux. So I add my chunks into my pasta like this. This is going to give you that string pull. So I'm stick of butter. I'm going to do equal parts butter and flour. 8 tablespoons of butter, 8 tablespoons of flour. And then you're going to add those other seasonings that you saw, the paprika, whatever seasonings you want. I add the annato for the color. That's pretty much what the annato is for. It's simply for color, and so is the paprika. And this is the color you're going to get with that. And you're just going to let your flour and your butter cook together for about 3 minutes to get that raw flour taste out. Then you're going to add in your heavy cream. You're going to add a little bit at a time to get it going so you don't have any chunks. So you're going to use a wire whisk because it just makes more sense, but I don't always do things that make sense. So you're going to let your roux thicken with your heavy cream so you can make your cheese sauce. Now I'm going to add in my cheese little by little. Make sure to reserve some shredded cheese for the top. Okay. And here's the cheese. And that doesn't all have to be melted because it's going to go in the oven. So here it is. I feel like it needs some music for that cheese pouring into there. Don't y'all think so? So I'm just going to mix this up with a better tool, a spoon. So you just want to keep mixing. You want to mix this up really well to make sure that all your pasta is covered with cheese. You don't want to, never mind. You just want to mix this really well. I was going to go there, but I won't. All right, so this made 2 pans of mac and cheese. I covered the top with some shredded cheese. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little paprika on the top for more color. And then I'm going to put it in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. You can let the top brown a little bit better. I liked it because it was really crispy on the top. And there you go. There's that cheese pull. And all the pasta is coated in cheese. How about that? Well, that is it. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. I hope each and every one of you are having a wonderful day and a great new year. Oh, I forgot to say Happy New Year. Happy New Year. So I want y'all to check out my description box. There's some channels I want you guys to go over and support and check these people out. Let them know that I sent you. All right. I'll see y'all later. Bye.